Hello, welcome to the Bricks and Tech Sunday morning builds, and today we're going to be building the Catrina brickhead number 149, set number 40492. Now, Catrina is a celebration piece representing the Mexican festival called Day of the Dead. Now, the Day of the Dead is celebrated in Mexico and elsewhere, associated with the Catholic celebrations of All Saints' Day, and is usually held on November 1 and 2. It's a multi-day holiday. So that's what Lego has depicted with this Catrina set, and that is what we're going to be building today. And it's going to be a speed build. But we'll open this up first and see what the contents are. I believe there's about 141 pieces. Oh. So shouldn't be a long build. 1, 2, 3 bags. And instructions. And as typical with these brickheads, they get straight into the build. There's no real introductory at all. So I'll set that up and get into the speed build. Okay, and there we have it, the Catrina brickheads build. This was a short build, only about 13 minutes it took, but it was quite enjoyable and techniques which I hadn't seen before. And there are two that I want to point out. So if I take off this bottom piece here, and this was really interesting, the dress piece, which is made up of a lot of snot bricks. To get this look, it was really well done. So you can see here, slopes on snot. Snot meaning studs not on top. Really clever. And that just sits on the base there. And then the bottom bit, there's only the 4 studs, if you can see that. Sits on there. The other piece was getting the shape of this hairpiece back here was really very clever indeed. If I can take that piece off, you can see here the order in which it was done was once again using a lot of snot technique, but then using slopes on the underside there, upside down, and also on the side to get the contours of get the shape of the hairpiece, which is really very well done. So they were the highlights that I picked out of this build. Overall, a very striking set, lots of colour, as you would expect for a celebration piece. Maybe I should have left this for November, to do in November when it's actually the celebration of the Day of the Dead. But anyway, it's built now. That will go with the collection. Really enjoyable. Thanks for hanging around and watching. Have a great day.